This ain't what I wanted, but it's all I needed. I've been on that hard shit and it's going down easy. At least I'll be honest by the time that you see me. Yeah, came here with nothing, but I'm looking for something. Little Southern bell to ring whenever I want it. I'm somewhere in the middle if you're trying to meet me. Just link up, go bar hopping. We can start down the road, let the liquor take full control.
Yeah.
Bar hopping, downtown thrills, chasing something that we both let go. Let's go back.
Ready?
Back to where we
3, 2, 1.
I know we don't feel the same. So, babe, don't rush to the
Just jumped in the water at 5 a.m. Why not all-nighter? We haven't slept. Woo!
Hey, yeah.
Oh, it's cold.
Tell that to the girl that I used to know. She got whiskey on her breath and she killing me. Red lips on the glass and some heels to match. How you running around town straight curving me? Doing shit for someone else that you learned from me. Bar hopping, we can start down the road, let the liquor take full control. Bar hopping, downtown thrills, chasing something that we both let go. But I roll up, and you stay down. I pull up, and the truth came out. Bar hopping sounds good to me. Bar hopping sounds even better with you. Let's go back to where we last kissed. Wishing that
life.
we lasted.
I love life.
I know we don't feel the same. Go slow, babe, don't rush to the heart. Or pour one on that bar top. Cause I don't wanna feel a thing anyways. Hey, same spot we met back in August. Talking about things that we wanted. Whole thing was real by September. Let's drink so I can't remember. I saw a future, you knew that. Had a chance to do that, we blew that. Whole thing was done last September. Good thing that I can't remember.